Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. Did you know that you can get free drinks at the park all year long? You sure can. Let me explain. When you buy a gold or diamond season pass, you'll receive a souvenir drink cup. This cup is good for free drinks, but only on the day that you pick it up. But instead of getting this cup, you can upgrade to an all-season cup for only $14 and get free drinks all year long. This is what we do, and we found it to be a huge money saver. Drinks cost between $4 and $5 each, so after getting only 4 drinks, you're already saving more money. One thing to be aware of is these cups do not include specialty or ice cream drinks. If you buy the Diamond Pass like me, which includes unlimited visits to Whitewater, be sure to take your all-season cup with you for free drinks there at Whitewater too. If you don't buy a season pass, you can still buy an all-season cup for $33 and an all-season thermal tumbler for $70. Free parking, unlimited visits, free drinks, discounted food, all of this allows us to have a great day without worrying about breaking the bank. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these tips. If this video helped you out, don't forget to click the like button before you leave. It really supports the channel in a really big way. Have you heard about Silver Dollar City's Tasting Passport? This is another way for you to save time and money on food. That's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends.